Delicious Keto Mince Pies recipe, a healthy, low-carb holiday treat for all. Mince pies, a traditional festive treat, are usually rich in sugars and carbs, making them a challenge for those on a ketogenic diet. This recipe ensures that even those following a low-carb lifestyle can enjoy the festive flavors of mince pies without compromising their dietary needs. The key to keto baking is finding suitable substitutes for high-carb ingredients. Almond flour is a popular choice for keto pastry due to its low-carb content and its ability to create a tender, crumbly texture. Sweeteners like erythritol or stevia can be used in place of sugar, providing the necessary sweetness without the carbs. Ingredients. For the keto mincemeat: 1 cup mixed berries, like blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. 1/2 cup chopped pecans or almonds. 1/2 cup golden erythritol, or other keto-friendly sweetener. Zest and juice of 1 orange. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. A pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1 tablespoon brandy or rum, optional. For the keto pastry: 2 cups almond flour. 1/3 cup coconut flour. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed. 1 large egg. 1/4 cup erythritol, powdered. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Directions. 1. Start with the keto mincemeat. In a saucepan, combine all the mincemeat ingredients except the butter and brandy. Cook over medium heat for about 10 minutes, until the berries break down and the mixture thickens. Remove from heat, stir in the butter and brandy, and let it cool completely. 2. For the pastry, mix almond flour, coconut flour, erythritol, and salt in a bowl. Add the cold, cubed butter and rub it into the flour using your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse breadcrumbs. 3. Stir in the egg and vanilla extract, and mix until a dough forms. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. 4. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 5. Roll out the dough between 2 pieces of parchment paper to prevent sticking. Cut out circles using a cookie cutter or cup, slightly larger than the wells of a muffin tin. 6. Press the pastry circles into the muffin tin, forming small cups. Fill each with a spoonful of the keto mincemeat. 7. Re-roll the remaining dough and cut out smaller shapes for the tops. Place them on top of the filling and press the edges to seal. 8. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the pastry is golden and firm. 9. Let the pies cool in the tin for a few minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack. These keto mince pies are a fantastic way to enjoy a holiday favorite without the usual carb content. The combination of juicy, spiced berries and nuts, enveloped in a buttery, flaky crust, creates a delightful treat that everyone can enjoy.